Hello, my name is Jackie Leib, and I'm the Executive Assistant to the CFO at Lake Forest Academy in Lake Forest, Illinois. I apologize, but I'm going to read my message to you because it is imperative that I tell you everything I've been thinking about. In order for me to be an effective strategic partner to my executive, it is imperative for me to keep up with him. Knowing the latest trend in our industry, or having the ability to find out what is happening within our industry and other parts of the world, is crucial in my ability to assist my executive. Professional development has given me the tools and the confidence to perform at a level necessary to provide efficient and effective communication with my executive. Professional books and magazines are excellent sources for educating yourself. However, attending professional development conferences has been the key for me. Not only am I receiving current training with speakers who are experts in their industry, but I always come away with networking resources from all over the world that I know I can rely on in the future for guidance should I need it. I currently am working with an attendee I met at Secretary Leib in London this year. She has been amazing at helping me figure out a strategy that will be very useful in the upcoming school year. I have found that researching what will be taught at the conference and suggesting how I can apply that to my job when I return has been helpful in obtaining approval to attend conferences. This information is always available from quality conferences. I also have agreed to share what I have learned with other assistants at my school by preparing lunch and learns on the topics I attended. This has been a great opportunity. Not only am I bringing what I learned back for others, but it has helped reinforce what I have learned by teaching it. It has also given other assistants confidence to ask for professional development themselves. To me, that's a win-win, and I hope it is for you too.